Jan to Delhi, Miss Universe India 2026 State and Union Territory auditions. So I am going to tell you all the behind the scenes and my journey towards taking first step in the pageantry. Okay, so my journey started on 17 June officially because my audition was on 19 June. So I decided to arrive one day before so that I can make sure that my journey and my practice will go well. 19 June, 8 a.m. So I arrived very punctually on the time and the audition started on 2 p.m. Yes, so what we did is we filled the form. Every contestant filled the form and we got a token. My token number was 17. And for hair and makeup, we have provided a green room where we can do the hair and makeup. Lakme hair and makeup artists were provided. For that, we have to pay 1,500, 1,200 something like for hair and makeup. And for the registration of this Miss Universe India state auditions, the registration fees is 3,500 something. If you want me to make a separate video on that, I will surely make. Otherwise, this video will be lengthy. Well, I met Miss Universe Madhya Pradesh 2025 and that experience was incredible because she filled me up with lots of motivation and I feel yes, I can do it. She filled up me with that confidence. Yeah. So my journey started and I saw Manika Vishwakarma, Miss Universe 2025 in Miss Universe India 2025. So I was like, wow, she's looking so incredibly stunning. I was like, I am living my dream. My eyes filled with tear because I have experienced because I am seeing my dream not on screen but in reality. So that what make completely change my mindset when I look everything around me was so absolutely stunning and like incredible. No words for that. Auditions begin. There were 3 rounds. Like first is rank walk round, introduction round, and question answer round. If you got selected in rank walk round, then you will get a chance for the second, the third round. Otherwise, you can go back to the home. Well, it's not like that. You have to prepare well and you will be get selected. I'm not demotivating you. So, well, what the 3 mistake I did, I'm going to tell you in the separate video if you want me to tell. So that you make sure that you don't do those 3 mistakes which I did in my pageantry journey. In that audition hall, breakfast were provided. And after that breakfast, the audition started. So these 3 rounds, like state by state, all these auditions were going on. So when it comes to Madhya Pradesh, it was like 20 or 15 contestants from Madhya Pradesh. Well, that was when I saw in the group. It was like 66 contestants, but they were not able to reach Delhi for the audition. Therefore, there were 20 and 15 contestants. All were very good in behavior. We enjoyed the journey together. We motivated each other. And this was the audition journey. Well, what I learned mainly, okay, so what I learned from my journey is never give up. I saw many contestants. Well, this was my first time I tried it for this pageant, but I saw many contestants who are trying from 3 years, 4 years, but still don't get opportunity to represent their stage on the state on the national level and Miss Universe India level. So it was like never give up. You improved every time, so make sure that you have that resilience and strength to come back again with a better version of yourself. Well, if you like this video, then make sure comment and comment down now which video you want next so that I can make on that. Well, thank you for watching.